Welcome to Simple English Hub Channel. Here, we bring you heartwarming and captivating love stories that touch your soul. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful journey of love.
My name is Ava, and I am 26 years old. If you had asked me a year ago how I imagined my love story would unfold, I never would have expected the emotional whirlwind that would change my life forever. I had always been a hopeless romantic, dreaming of the kind of love that felt like destiny. But love, as I learned, does not always follow the path we expect. And sometimes it puts us in the most impossible situations, making us choose between what is right and what the heart truly desires. Liam and I had been friends since college. He was the kind of man everyone adored, charming, kind-hearted, and fiercely loyal. We shared countless memories, from late night study sessions to spontaneous road trips. Over time, our friendship grew stronger, and people around us often assumed we were meant for each other. But for me, Liam was always just a friend. Then there was Noah. Noah was different. He was mysterious, adventurous, and had this way of making my heart race with just a glance. Our connection was instant, electric. Every conversation felt like an unspoken understanding every moment. With him left me breathless. But Noah was not an easy choice. He had a complicated past, and our relationship was never simple. Yet, despite everything, I loved him with all my heart. I thought I had time to figure things out. That then, Liam did something unexpected. He proposed. It was a beautiful evening. We were at the rooftop of a charming little restaurant, the city lights twinkling like stars beneath us. As I turned to admire the view, Liam got down on one knee, holding out a ring that sparkled under the moonlight. My heart stopped. "Ava," he said softly, his eyes filled with hope. "You've always been the most important person in my life. I don't want to spend another day without knowing that you'll be mine forever. Will you marry me?" Tears welled up in my eyes, but not for the reason he expected. My mind screamed at me to say yes. Liam was safe. He was good to me. He would love me endlessly. But my heart belonged to someone else. The weight of my emotions crashed over me as I stood, frozen, unable to answer. I thought about all the moments I had shared with Noah, the stolen kisses, the whispered dreams, the way he made me feel alive in a way I never had before. But Noah had never promised me forever. He had never gotten down on one knee and asked me to be his. Liam's face fell as he noticed my hesitation. "Ava," he whispered, "do you love me?" I swallowed the lump in my throat. "Liam, you are one of the best people I've ever known. But I can't say yes, because my heart already belongs to someone else." Pain flashed in his eyes, but he nodded as if he had already known the answer. "I just needed to hear it," he said, standing up and slipping the ring back into his pocket. "I would have given you everything, Ava." "I know," I whispered, my heart breaking for him. And you deserve someone who loves you the same way. That night, I walked away from a life that would have been safe and secure. I chose uncertain. Why? I chose risk. I chose love. Finding Noah that night wasn't easy, but when I finally did, when I saw the way his eyes lit up the moment he saw me, I knew I had made the right decision. Life doesn't always give us easy choices, but it does give us chances to follow our hearts, and for me, that made all the difference.
Thank you for watching Simple English Hub. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing love stories. See you in the next one.